Hi friends, Miss Cedarquist here. Today's page of notes, if you're in my class, is going to go on page 23 of your interactive notebook. Today we are going to talk about simplifying polynomials by combining like terms. And then we're going to, our language acquisition objective is to explain how to simplify polynomials by combining like terms using academic vocabulary and today's focus notes. And our central question is, how does adding and subtracting polynomials compare to adding and subtracting integers? Okay, so let's talk about some vocabulary. So the first thing that we should talk about is what a monomial is. So a monomial is a real number, a variable, a product of a real number, and one or more variables with whole number exponents. So here are some examples of a monomial. 3 is a monomial, 4x is a monomial, x is a monomial, 7xy is a monomial, and 4x cubed is a monomial. Okay, so then the next vocabulary word is a polynomial. And a polynomial is a monomial or the sum or difference of two or more monomials called terms. So monomials are also called terms. So all of these guys that you were listed here are terms. So a polynomial is just a couple of these guys, a couple of monomials being added or subtracted to each other. Okay, our next vocabulary word is a binomial. A binomial is a polynomial with only 2 terms. And a trinomial is a polynomial with only 3 terms. Now, the degree of a polynomial is the greatest exponent of any term in the polynomial. And then the standard form of a polynomial is the form of a polynomial in which the terms are written in descending order according to their degree.